That's the number one reason why I think new agents fail, is because when they tell people how long they've been doing it, or if they've ever sold anything before, if they don't have a good rebuttal as to this is my first deal, then they immediately get shot down. We are expanding the growth of the real estate division, and we're adding agents to our team. Now that we're in our new building, we have new space, so we can do that. Well, good. I'm glad you're here. I wanted to meet with you just one-on-one here, and we will. Kind of like what your goals are, where you want to hit the ground running, what do you want to focus on. A good real estate agent is, there's a couple factors. Obviously, they have to be a really good negotiator and a good listener, listening to your clients and then listening to other agents, and then really putting yourself in the right position to make sure that you can negotiate the best price or the best outcome for your client. You want to provide a red carpet experience. It's the same thing with the construction. We want to provide this experience. I'm always available, anything you need, all the time, like just the way that you would want to be treated, right? The rest of it, you literally overcoming objections and processing paperwork, you can do in your sleep, right? You just have to know how to make sure that you're listening to your client and then having a good time while doing it, and then it doesn't become stressful for them. There's a lot of real estate agents out there, and the more personable and more down to earth that you are, and the better listener that you are, and the more you can relate to being a people person, the more successful you are at being a real estate agent, if you will. You couldn't have come in to sell something at a better time. Like, I'm sad, I can't sell more. Like right now, I'm so heartbroken actually, because the amount of money that you could be making right now, the way the market is, you can make a shit ton of money right now. A ton. D&G Real Estate Agency is growing now that we have the space in our new building. And if you're interested in having a meeting with us to talk about your real estate career, and maybe you're with an employing broker now and it's just not something that's working for you, we do everything custom here. So if there's something that you're interested in and you're thinking about making a leap, we'd love to talk to you.